Hey there, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It's Miss Eni, and today I'm back with another hairstyle video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to zhuzh up your hairband using just socks. Yes, the normal socks we wear. I'm going to be showing you how I use the socks to get my hair from this to this. And with that being said, let's just get right into the video. First, I'm going to be showing you how I made my band using socks. The first thing I'm going to be using for this video is a socks. As I already said, socks. Old pair of socks you are no longer using, or maybe stockings. You could use stockings or socks. I'm using socks. You are going to need a scissors. First thing we are going to be doing is cutting the end part of the socks. So now the other end of the socks open now. So we have two open ends of the socks. The remaining socks, the black ones too, I'm going to be cutting them. Going to be cutting the closed end. We need both ends to be open. This end is open. This is where you normally put your leg, and the other end is closed. So that's where your toenails are. So that's the part you're going to be cutting. So it becomes open. For now, I don't know the number of socks we'll be using, but the general rule is when you want a bigger band, you use more socks. When you want a smaller band, you use less socks. So I'm going to cut the remaining socks off camera, then we'll move on to the next step. We are just going to start. I'm going to take the first socks. To start making the bands, I'm going to roll the socks inwards, like how you see me doing the video. I'm just going to roll it inwards. I'm going to keep rolling the socks inwards until the socks is done. Occasionally, I'm going to pull it taut, then continue rolling it inwards. Taking the next socks, I'm going to put what we have already rolled into the next socks. I'm going to put it inside like you are seeing me doing the video. Then I'm going to continue rolling it inwards. Here, I'm just pulling it to make it taut. I'm going to continue rolling it inwards until the black socks is also finished. Then I'll move on to the next socks. As the band becomes bigger, it gets easier to roll. Here I'm just pulling it taut, then I'll continue rolling. Pulling it makes the band looks a bit more tighter. You do not want a saggy band, you want a band that stands, okay? A band that stands, that's very tight. Now the black socks is done, I'm going to take the next socks, put the black socks into this next socks, then continue to roll it inwards. I'm just repeating the same process I did earlier in this video. I'm going to put the black socks into the new socks. Then I'm going to start rolling it inwards, like you see me doing the video. After we finish making the band, I'm going to show you how I put the band in my hair. For now, I'm going to just continue putting more socks then rolling it until I get the desired size of band I want. One of the reasons why I like to do band ponytails is because it serves as a perfect protective style to hide the ends of your hair. We are going to see later on in the video where I show you how I fix this band in my hair, you will see that we will tack our ends away, and you know that tacking your ends away is a great way of protecting the ends of your hair from breaking. If you've watched up to this point and you're still not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm going to give you 2 seconds to subscribe. Please subscribe and like this video. Liking the video helps the video do better on the YouTube algorithm. So please, it takes 2 seconds. Just like and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. This size of band is perfect for me, but I do not want the color of the band to be different from the color of my hair. So I'm going to do one last wrapping using a black sock. The black matches my hair, so I can be able to hide the band in my hair. That's why I'm doing the last wrapping using a black colored socks. If you do not want to go through all the stress of making a band socks by yourself, you can always go to the cosmetic shop and ask for a band, a natural hair band. Well, I couldn't get some of the band in my area, that's why I'm using my socks. I'm improvising using the socks. This is our band. Now that the band is done, I'm going to stretch the band well to create a space for my hair. This is me stretching the band well so my hair can enter the band. In this next part, I'm going to show you how I put the band in my hair. The first thing is to prepare the section where we are going to put the band. That's the back section. I'm just going to tie it with a rope, then braid it. Braiding the hair makes it easier for us to fix the hair into the band. We are going to lose these braids, so no need to make them very tight. The next thing is the ponytail. I'm going to hold all my hair to the back, not too tight because we do not want any tension around the edges of our hair. We are trying to grow our edges here, so we are not going to make it too tight. Then I'm going to take my thread and wrap it at the back of my hair like I was doing a normal ponytail. Using a bobby pin, I'm going to secure the hair I used in the wrapping. I'm just going to secure it using the bobby pin. The next thing I'm going to be doing is taking the band we just made. All I'm doing here is putting the band into my hair. After putting the band in my hair, I'm just going to remove the thread we used to help do the twist. For the band, I'm going to remove the thread, then I'm going to loose the twists. Now, I'm just going to gently comb through my hair to make it even. I'm just going to gently comb through my hair, even finger detangle it a bit in order to even it out so that it can spread perfectly on the band. Getting my hair ready for the securing of the band, the idea is just to wrap the hair around the band like you see me doing the video. The band is supposed to come out like this. This is how we want the band to come out like. This is how we want the band to come out like. So I'm just going to begin tacking my ends under the band. Then I'm going to later secure it using the thread. Using the thread, I'm going to wrap the thread around my hair. I'll continue wrapping the thread around my hair. Then the remaining hair, I'm just going to tack it under the band. And I'm going to continue doing this using the thread to secure the hair and the band, tacking my ends away until there's no end showing. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to brush the back of my hair to hide any flyaways, do my edges, use a scarf for my head. Then I'm going to be showing you the final results in a minute. And with how I lay my hard 4-type edges, I'm going to be doing a video on the products I use, how I get to lay my edges to make it very flat like I see in the video. I'm going to be posting it soon, so please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I post the edge video. And this is the hairstyle. This is the bun. This is the final result. This is me after doing my edges, scarfing the hair for some time. And this is the super gorgeous simple hairband style. You can rock at any event. You can send it to school, church, any event of your choice. You can rock this hairstyle there. And that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.